Hi, today in front of me OPPO Find X2 Neo, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the system settings. After that, tap to screen recording section and you'll see here the sound switchers. Just now we have selected here the record system sound, so we can turn it off, and by this way we'll record the mute videos. But if you want, you can use the microphone sound just to command something in your screen recording. So just to do that, we should click here on the switcher to activate the microphone. If you want, you can also use these two options together, so you can use the system sounds and the microphone together, or just to turn off and to use the mute videos to record, we should use these two switchers, so just we should click on them. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.